The truth about global immigration today. Over 280 million individuals reside outside their birth countries, illustrating the profound impact of immigration. This global movement shapes economies, cultures, and politics, making it a vital aspect of contemporary society. Immigration involves moving to a different country for permanent residence. Historically, it has been significant for economic growth and cultural exchange, influencing societies since ancient times through trade, exploration, and conquest. Recent data reveals an unprecedented rise in global immigration. With millions on the move, patterns show increasing flows toward economically stable regions, reflecting diverse motivations behind these significant demographic shifts. Economic instability, political unrest, and social upheaval compel many to leave their homelands. These push factors force individuals to seek safety, better livelihoods, and opportunities unavailable in their native countries. Conversely, countries offering economic opportunities, political stability, and quality of life attract immigrants. These pull factors create appealing destinations, promising a chance for prosperity and security in a new environment. Prominent migration corridors include the Mexico-US route, the Mediterranean crossing to Europe, and the India-UAE pathway, each reflecting economic aspirations and complex geopolitical dynamics that drive human movement. Host countries often experience economic growth and cultural diversity due to immigration, yet they grapple with challenges of integration, resource allocation, and maintaining societal harmony amidst demographic changes. Immigrants face hurdles like navigating legal systems, overcoming language barriers, and confronting discrimination, all of which can hinder their ability to fully integrate and thrive in host societies. Refugees flee persecution and seek asylum, while migrants move for better opportunities. The asylum process involves complex legal frameworks, ensuring protection for those in dire need of safety and stability. The U.S. has a rich immigration history, shaped by waves of newcomers. Current policies and debates focus on border security, pathways to citizenship, and the economic impact of undocumented immigrants. European immigration has evolved with diverse trends, presenting significant challenges. Nations grapple with balancing humanitarian needs and security. Recent influxes have prompted varied responses, highlighting the complexities of regional immigration policies. International organizations like the UN and NGOs play vital roles in managing migration. They provide critical support, advocate for human rights, and work towards effective, humane policies for displaced people. Immigrants significantly boost economies by filling labor shortages and driving innovation. Their diverse perspectives foster creativity, helping industries thrive and adapt in an increasingly competitive global market. Cultural enrichment through immigration leads to vibrant, diverse societies. Immigrants bring unique traditions, foods, and arts that enhance cultural landscapes, promoting mutual understanding and enriching communal experiences. Security concerns often arise in immigration discussions, with misconceptions linking immigrants to crime. However, studies show immigrants are less likely to commit crimes, emphasizing the need for informed, fair dialogue. Climate change is an emerging driver of migration, displacing populations due to rising sea levels, extreme weather, and resource scarcity. Anticipating these shifts helps in planning sustainable migration policies. Balanced immigration policies should ensure border security while fostering inclusivity. Encouraging cross-cultural understanding and providing pathways to citizenship can promote social cohesion and economic growth for both immigrants and host nations. Technological advancements and globalization will likely increase migration, making international cooperation crucial. Digital solutions could streamline processes, while interconnected economies might offer more opportunities for mobile workforces. Supporting inclusive policies and sharing immigrants' positive contributions can foster welcoming communities. Embracing diversity enriches societies, driving progress and innovation while honoring the shared human experience. To foster a world where migration is seen as an opportunity rather than a challenge, we must promote understanding, advocate for equitable policies, and celebrate the invaluable contributions immigrants make to society.